Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I to do the extreme outdoor village type 4G plus speed test between the Poco F3 GT versus Realme X1 Max device. So finally friends, I came to this location to test the 4G plus, and which lot of users are actually waiting for this kind of video. So this is a perfect outdoor type situation which I came here. So I'll be using during this time of demonstration Jio SIM card only in this process of testing. Let's see which phone will be able to get the highest speeds in the outdoor testing. That is what matters a lot. So right now I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card, as you can see, and sometimes during the test I'll be getting the 4G plus, so don't worry about those things. So right now I'm not getting, but definitely while doing this kind of speed test I'll be able to get the 4G speeds. And one more quick note. So first I'll try to do the download test, next I'll try to do the speed test comparing both phones. So in this way we'll be able to see it. And the Poco F3 GT is not supported with the 4G plus in the Jio SIM with the 1800 band. Yes, 1800 bandwidth with the Poco F3 GT 4G plus you cannot get it. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning right now. And right now you can see the speeds, how it is between both phones. Wow. So try to watch till end of the video friends, don't try to skip, because it's going to be really interesting watching this kind of speed test, because we never know which phone will be the winner. So please try to watch. So I think till now the Poco F3 GT was able to download the game faster than the Realme X1 Max. As you can see clearly, the Poco F3 GT did beat the Realme X1 Max at this moment. I'll try to do multiple times, not only just one time. I'll try to do multiple times just to show you the result. That is the reason I'm trying to ask you to watch till end of the video. So this is an extreme outdoor situation friends. Sorry for the reflection, I can totally understand that. Sorry for that. Right now in the Poco F3 GT, the speeds I'm getting about close to 50 Mbps of speed, 50 and 43. Wow. As you can see friends, 50 and 43 Mbps of speeds I'm trying to get here. That's a lot. High speeds. I'm trying to focus on exactly the band, what bands the both phones are connecting. So I was unable to focus properly, but let's see this time will I be able to focus or not. So maximum I'm trying to use the same bands only in both phones. So that is the reason. In the Realme X1 Max you can see the 3cc I'm getting in the Realme X1 Max 3cc, but in the Poco F3 GT just with 1C single band it was able to get that kind of high scores in the Poco F3 GT. I'm trying to do multiple times testing, not just 1 or 2 times. I just want to do close to 5 or 6 times just before coming into the conclusions. So in the indoor, in the Jio SIM card, I'm trying to mention again, Jio SIM card 4G plus 1800 band with the Jio is not supported, but with 850 you can get the 4G plus. Only with the 1800 4G plus I'm not getting at this moment. Sometimes in the indoor condition that is a problem which I mentioned before, but in the outdoors you will definitely get the 4G plus in the Poco F3 GT. You should not have any kind of issues at all. So I'm trying to do the multiple time testing, and right now I'll try to even start doing the download test again just because of this full speed. Let's see. I'm trying to download the game again, and both phones are connected to the same band, same 850, same 4G plus. I'm trying to zoom in the camera so you'll be able to see it, but both phones, Realme X1 Max and Poco F3 GT, the Poco F3 GT finished download, as you can see, faster than the Realme X1 Max, sorry. So using the 4G plus Jio SIM card with the 850 band, both phones. So I'm trying to do the download test and the speed test again and again just to show you what is happening with the results. So this is an extreme outdoor village type environment. I came to this location friends, to this kind of farms. So here I can actually test the speeds, what's actually happening in which phone. So now both phones are connected to the Jio 4G 850 band with the 4G plus aggregation. I'm trying to mention these things clearly again and again. So both are same bands, but you're getting different speeds in the Poco F3 GT, you can see. So this kind of testings will be really very hard for me to decide which phone is the winner, but I'll try to do my best to update these things very often. I'll try to upload a couple of videos as well, a couple of testing. So I just need a couple of days friends basically to test it. I'm trying to do single one by one phone to test which phone can actually reach highest speeds. That is what my point of doing this kind of video. And the Poco F3 GT is coming around close to 60 Mbps of speed, 62, 63. I'm trying to do single speeds, not both at same time, only one by one. 63 Mbps of speeds, but in the same location I did get the OnePlus 9R to reach 100 Mbps and OnePlus Nord CE as well. Nord 2 I did not test in this location, but I'll test it soon, maybe tomorrow. OnePlus Nord 2. So today I did bring only 2 phones, Realme X1 Max and the Poco F3 GT, because a lot of users are actually confusing which has what kind of results in terms of the 4G. So now you did see the results, how it is between both phones. As you can see, it's same location using same band, same SIM card, but different results we are getting. 63 versus 40 Mbps of Realme X1 Max speeds. And it also depends upon the location and type of SIM you're using, friends. Absolutely, that's another thing you should definitely remember. So if you're in the metropolitan city, I don't think it will be a problem for you. So maybe in the normal towns, only those people, they need to worry about this kind of network issues. I'm just trying to show you exactly which phone will take how much kind of speed to download the game. Again, as you can see, just individual download speeds I'm trying to test right now. The Poco F3 GT is so quick, finished. I think in 11 seconds it's finished, friends. I forgot to stop the stopwatch, sorry for that. I was looking at the notification message, but 11 seconds the Poco F3 GT has been completely finished. That's fantastic to see in the Poco F3 GT. Now, let's see how much time the Realme X1 Max will take to download this game completely, the Realme X1 Max. The Poco F3 GT finished in 11 to 12 seconds of time. The Realme X1 Max, at this moment, this is a phone, as you can see, and this is taking more than the time. And both phones are getting same kind of band, only 850 band, so it took about close to 18 seconds of time. So this is using the Jio SIM card, 850 band, 4G plus aggregation, outdoor extreme village type testing. So 11 seconds versus 18 seconds of time during my time of testing and demonstration, as you can see. So I'm trying to change the location and just to see will it affect any kind of speeds or not by changing the location and by going to the different kind of environment. That is the reason I'm trying to walk around and just to see what is happening. So even right now the Poco F3 GT was able to get 50 Mbps of speeds, Realme X1 Max getting 36.7 Mbps of speeds. So 52.6 and 36.7 Mbps. So this area is really very risky, friends, because the chances of getting the phone now fall into the form is really high. So I need to be very careful holding these two phones side by side. So there's a high speeds which I got right now. You can see in every speed test whatever I did today in this kind of exact location in the outdoor environment using the Jio SIM card, the Poco F3 GT managed to give the highest score possible in this phone. As you can see, exact. These are the complete results, you can definitely understand. And just for the last time I'm trying to do, and I'll try to end up this video just by showing you what is happening. And Poco F3 GT was able to again, I think, dominate the Realme X1 Max a little bit, but not much. So I will be back, friends, with another videos as well, with comparing with the OnePlus Nord 2 and plenty of other phones as well. So stay tuned for more updates. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for bye.